Congratulations to all Nigerian youth. Whether you are in Nigeria or you are in diaspora, congratulations to every Nigerian youth out there. Now, there's good news. The Federal Ministry of Youth Development have entered an MOU with an academy to be training 100,000 Nigerian youth annually on how to trade Forex, okay, as a means of battling unemployment in the country. This is good news, and I am happy that the federal government is beginning to wake up more to its responsibility to the youth, to the Nigerian youth. Now, I've been saying it for the longest time that Forex is being traded by banks. That Forex trading, the Forex market, is the biggest financial market in the world. Trillions of dollars exchange hands on a daily basis. How much of it are you making? And for those who hate risk so much and go to keep their monies in the bank, guess what? Banks trade your money, that same money, in the Forex market. Now, few things that I need to talk about regarding this good news of this memorandum of understanding between this Forex Academy and the federal government. First things first, I do hope that they will not politicize it. What is the criteria for the selection of the 100,000 youths that will be benefiting from this free training? I do not know. I don't know the details. I don't know whether it is free or there is going to be registration form or, bureaucratic bottlenecks. I don't know if the selection is going to be based on who you know. We do not know that one yet. Number two, and most importantly, is let us assume that the selection of the 100,000 youth is going to be based on fairness, equity, justice, and merit. Okay? One thing we should know is that when something is free and open to the public, you do not have personalized service. When something has to do with government, the facilitators always have this nonchalant attitude. They don't have this one-on-one touch, okay? Because after all, it is free. After all, it is government. After all, it has been paid for. And we do not even know how they were able to influence being the recipients of that MOU. If it is based on influence, the owners of the academy can take advantage of that and say, well, we can do whatever we like. Nobody is going to ask us questions. So that is something else. Now, the most important factor, number three, is the fact that skills in trading Forex is good. But the truth of the matter is that skill is not enough. Capital is king in Forex. Skill is never enough. I know a lot of skilled Forex traders that are hungry. Having the skill is like being somebody who is handsome, who is good looking and knows how to woo women, but he is broke. I tell you, there's a limit to how your talk and your skill when it comes to women, there's a limit to how far it will take you. There will be people who will not say a word. They will show the women the money and they will get the women. Okay? So that is the same thing as it is when it comes to skill and when it comes to ideas and then when it comes to capital. You conceive an idea, but you need capital to execute it. There are lots of businesses that spring up around me. And people will praise the entrepreneur that this guy is smart. How did he realize that we will be needing this thing? This is an idea that has been conceived in the minds of poor people for several decades, but they don't have the money to execute it. Now you are celebrating an entrepreneur who had the money and probably even sampled the opinion of a poor person who had the idea, then went to execute it. So capital is very, very important when it comes to Forex. So giving people the skill is not enough because they will be needing funding. And that is why I want to introduce you to an academy that not only trains people, they provide signals. Tap to trade signals that just pop up on your phone like WhatsApp messages. Click on approve, the trade is automatically taken for you. This academy, the cherry on top is that they give you funded capital to take your trades. All you need to do is pay a subscription and they will give you the signal and they will provide you the capital to trade that signal. That is putting your money where the mouth is. And that is what ensures that you are profitable in the market. Now, there are two categories of Forex traders. You have the institutional traders and you have the retail traders. The institutional traders are the banks, the hedge funds. Retail traders are you and I. Now, it is on record that the most consistently profitable people in the Forex market are the institutional traders. And what is the core difference between the institutional traders and the retail traders? The core difference, it is the capital, my brothers and sisters. Those guys can stay on a trade no matter the drawdown for the longest time. They will stay on that trade, survive the drawdown, market retraces back in their favor, and they are profitable. A drawdown that will swallow your capital of $1,000, they will still remain in that trade. And that is the advantage of a funded account, which this secret academy gives you access to. You can have access to up to $200,000 funded accounts to trade. As against you taking that your $1,000 into the market to trade, then you get swallowed up by the whales. Kudos to the federal government of Nigeria. We hope it's going to be transparent. But if you are interested in an academy with a personalized touch that offers signals, skill, and funded capital on top of it, send a DM via the link in the description of this video. Congratulations again to all Nigerians worldwide for this bold move by the federal government. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with every Nigerian youth. It doesn't matter whether they are in Nigeria or in the diaspora. Share it, because making money online is about getting easier. For your information, the academy I'm telling you about, they are not only restricted to Forex, so they also have copy trading in crypto. They also have beauty, health, and wellness products, a company that is debt-free, a company that is domiciled in the United States of America, a company that has been operational since 2014. Let me not tell you everything. If you are interested, send a DM and we'll take it from there. Until then, it is bye-bye from me.